Wishing you a very happy and cheerful day. This is Harshit Sharma with his project of Chemistry AIL on chemistry in everyday life. Here we go with my project. Firstly, we will discuss about drugs. What is a drug? Any substance other than food used in prevention, diagnosis, all aviation or treatment of disease is called a drug. A drug may also be defined as a chemical which, when taken in some way, alter body function. Generally, the term is applied to any simulation or depressing substance which can be habitual or addictive. In the history of chemistry, there are many useful inventions which are helping mankind even today. Here we list some of the useful drugs of the history. First, penicillin. It was discovered in 1942. Penicillin was first developed in 1928 but started to be used in 1942. As the first official antibiotic, it marked a turning point in human history and led the way in the treatment of numerous bacterial diseases. It has been calculated that the antibiotic has saved over 80 million lives, and without its discovery and implementation, 75% of the people would not be alive because their ancestors would have succumbed to infection. It has been used to treat plethora of conditions such as pneumonia and scarlet fever, as well as ear, skin, and throat infections. In 2010, over 7.3 billion units of penicillin were administered worldwide. The second one is insulin. Insulin was discovered in 1922. Individuals with advanced diabetes are unable to provide sufficient amount of insulin, a hormone involved in the conversion of sugar to energy. Before the advent of insulin in 1922, patients were given a near starvation diet to ward off symptoms. Insulin is also understood to have paved the way for the future hormone replacement therapies and has saved the lives of countless people diagnosed with diabetes. The next one is smallpox vaccine. Smallpox has been known as the worst threats humanity has ever faced. In today's term, it was as deadly as cancer or heart disease, killing well over 10% of population with figures being up to 20% in higher populated towns and cities. Thanks to the development of vaccine in the 19th century, it was one of the first diseases to be wiped off the planet. Today, the eradication of smallpox is seen as one of the humanity's greatest achievements. Next one is polio vaccine. Although vaccines are not technically drugs, they are a form of preventative medicine. Polio, a disease caused by a virus living in the throat and intestinal tract, was once one of the leading causes of disabilities in the world and was the source of widespread fear and panic. Since the introduction of the vaccine in 1955, the disease has been eradicated from almost every part of the world. However, since the virus is still in existence, all children are generally still given the vaccine before starting school. Next one is chemotherapy drugs. Mustard gas was one of the first chemotherapy agents to treat cancer. The same gas used as a weapon in World War One. Mustard gas was proved to kill cancer cells. However, it also significantly damaged healthy ones, leading to a little survival benefit. The first drug to prove itself against cancer was in fact methotrexate, which in 1956 cured a rare tumor called choriocarcinoma. Over the next few decades, advances in chemotherapy were made, and numerous drugs with different mechanisms of action led to dramatic improvement in patient survival and decline in mortality rates. The increased survival from cancer today is down to both the development of a vast array of chemotherapy agents as well as early detection programs implemented by health systems across the world. Since the drugs are generally addictive, we have to know the meaning of addiction. Addiction is a habitual, psychological, physiological dependence on a substance or practice which is beyond the voluntary control. A person who is habitual of a substance or practice, especially harmful one, is said to be an addict. Classification of drugs, types and their examples. Sedative and tranquilizers. Its example is barbiturates. Opioid narcotics. Its example is opium, morphine, codeine, and heroin. Stimulants, amphetamines, caffeine, and cocaine. Hallucinogens, LSQ, mescaline, ganja, charas, hashish. Combination of alcohol and drugs. Some addicts use mixture of drugs to have an instant kick or charge. Simultaneous use of drugs and alcohols may be dangerous and can even cause death. When barbiturates and alcohols are taken together, they doubles the effect of each other. A mixture of heroin and cocaine, together known as speedballs, gives spontaneous kick of cocaine and prolonged pleasure of heroin. Here is a list of some of the combinations and their effects. Alcohol and barbiturates markedly increase depressant effect. Next, alcohol and antihistamines marked drowsiness. Next is alcohol and Valium dramatically increases the sedative effect. Next is alcohol plus hashish. Decreased coordination, increased reaction time, impaired judgment. Alcohol and aspirin increases changes of damage gastric mucus. Social disease, smoking, drinking, and use of drugs. Smoking, drinking, and use of drugs frequently or regularly are social diseases that adversely affect the health of addict and society. Young people take these habits for fun and show off as an adventure or feeling of freedom, or as a gesture of defiance against the elders who themselves indulge in these activities, but check the youngsters. Other factors that make people opt to these vices are inabilities to face their problems of the life, or indifferences shown by their family members, and encouragement or pressure by their friends. Temporary escape from the life problems and mental relaxation felt on taking these drugs in the beginning increases a person's interest in them. Soon they become habitual into that and find it difficult to leave them. The daily dose to get these effects increases with the time. As in the other countries, menace of drug is also spreading in India as well. A large number of young women and men have taken to these intoxicants. About 87.6% of the drug addicts are between the age groups 14 to 25 years of age. Tobacco sources. It is the native of South Africa where the Red Indians first started smoking. Now, the tobacco plant has spread all over the world. It has large cord to lanceolate leaves and terminal clusters of tubular white and pink flowers. Effects of nicotine. Number 1. Stimulates conduction of nerve impulse. Number 2. Relaxes muscles. Number 3. Releases adrenaline, increasing the heartbeat rate and pressure. Number 4. Increased blood pressure due to smoking chances the risk of heart disease. Number 5. Retard fetus growth in expecting mothers. High concentration of nicotine paralyzes the nerve even. Alcohols. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol is a flammable colorless liquid having a penetrating odor and burning taste. It is one of the product of distillation of fermented grains, fruit juices, and starch with the help of yeast enzymes. It is the principal constituent and intoxicating content of wines. Mode of consumption. Number 1. Alcohol is used in low concentrations as beer, toddy, wines. Number 2. In high concentrations in brandy, whiskey, rum, vodka, etc. Addiction. Alcohol addiction is known as alcoholism. Alcoholics are found in every section of society. Alcohols work as intoxication and hence act as poison. The drinkers begin with the small doses, but many of them start consuming large doses and become addicts. By the time they realize that drinking is adversely affecting them, it's too late to give up. What happens when alcohol goes in the stomach? Alcohol is quickly absorbed in the stomach and upper part of the small intestine and reaches all the tissues in a minute. Its oxidation is started at once and a large amount of heat is produced. Since heat is not needed in the body, it's taken up by the blood to the skin and give false impression of warmth in the body. The blood supply of internal organs is greatly reduced, resulting in the fall of temperature in them. Energy released by alcohol is not used in any life process. Rather, the energy derived from the food is used up in ridding of body of excess heat. Saponification: the process of making soap by hydrolysis of fat and oils with alkalis is called saponification. Soap is made by heating animal fats or vegetable oils with concentrated sodium hydroxide NaOH. Fat plus NaOH gives soap plus glycerol. In the other slide there is a photo of a soap. Miscellaneous. A soap molecule has two ends with different properties. First, a long chain hydrocarbon part which is hydrophobic, there is it dissolves in polar aprotic solvent. Second, a short ionic part containing COO negative Na plus which is hydrophilic, there is it dissolves in water. Mechanism of soap. When a dirty cloth is put in water containing soap, then the hydrocarbon end of the soap molecule in the micelle attach to the oil or grease particle present on the surface of dirty cloth. In this way, soap micelle entraps the oily particles by using the hydrocarbon end. The ionic end of the soap molecule remain attached with the water. When the dirty cloth is agitated in soap solution, the oily particles present on the surface get dispersed in the water due to which the cloth get clean. Advantages and disadvantages of soaps. Advantages: soaps are eco-friendly and are biodegradable. Disadvantages: soaps are not suitable in hard water and they are weak cleansing agent than detergents. Detergents. Detergents are the sodium salts of long-chain benzene sulfuric acids. Detergents are primarily surfactants which could be produced easily from petrochemicals. Surfactants lower the surface tension of water, essentially making it wetter so that it is likely to interact with oil or grease. The ionic group in detergent is SO3 negative Na plus. Examples of detergents. Two basic examples of well-known detergents of the sulfonate group are sodium p-dodecyl benzene sulfonate and sodium n-dodecyl sulfate. Advantages and disadvantages of detergents. Advantages. Since detergents are the salts of strong acid, they do not decompose in acidic medium. Thus, detergents can effectively clean fabric even if water is acidic. Synthetic detergents are more soluble in water than soaps. Detergents have a stronger cleansing action than soaps. As the detergents are derived from the petroleum, they save on natural vegetable oils which are important as essential cooking medium. Now we go with disadvantages. First, many detergents are resistant to the action of biological agents and thus are not degradable. The usual treatment is a problem. They have tendency to produce stable forms in the river that extend over several meters of river water. This is due to the effects of surfactants used in the preparation. They thus pose a danger to aquatic life. Next, they tend to inhibit oxidation of organic substance present in the wastewaters because they form a sort of envelope around them. Differences between soaps and detergents. Soaps. They are metal salts of long chain fatty acids. Detergents. These are sodium salts of long chain hydrocarbons like aryl sulfonates or aryl benzene sulfates. Soaps. These are prepared from vegetable oils and animal fats. Detergents. They are prepared from hydrocarbons of petroleum or coal. Soaps. They cannot be effectively used in hard water as they produce scum. There is insoluble precipitates of Ca plus 2, Mg plus 2, Fe plus 2, etc. Detergents. These do not produce insoluble precipitates in hard water. They are effective in soft water or hard or salty water. Conclusion. With this project, we came to know about certain uses of chemistry in our daily life. In this presentation, I have tried to place important ones, but there are still uncountable use of this wonderful subject. Have a nice day, and thank you very much.